Hi beauties, welcome back to Sylvia Space. It's been a while. How are you all doing? And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. This video is not going to be so long, so please do well to watch to the end and leave your comments. So this is my children room. Yeah, this paint has been like going to 3 years now, so I decided to change it. I'm using the same blue, yes, just the same color. I'm not changing it to another color. I just want to touch it up, and the work is going on. I have two guys that are helping me to do the painting. Although you guys will see the finished look, but this is them working. And the funniest thing, this is their first time of doing this job. They've not done it before. These are just I'll call them people that look up to me as their big sister. So I told them I want to get someone. They should help me look for a painter that will paint it. Yeah, assist. If you run am, that kind of worry thing. If you run am, if you run am. Have you done it before? You say no, but they can do it because they needed the money at the time. So why not? I decided to give them a try. So guys, we are done with the painting of my kids' room, and this is the finished look. I know the painting, let me show you guys. It's not that, you can see some blue stain and all that. It's not that so on point, but yeah, this is it. Let me just give you guys a small tour of their room. I'm not one of those parents that really do much, when it comes to decorating rooms and all that now. So this is the room both of them I'll be sharing for now. But soon I will be changing it. Yeah, it's not so big, but it's okay for two children. This is my daughter's side. From the color you can already tell, purple and pink. And over here is my son's side. This is his bed frame. And yeah, can also tell that this belonged to a boy child, blue. And I don't know, this curtain, was the one that I saw. The rest are long, and I'm not the type that love putting long curtains for children because they can easily draw the curtain for. So I decided to go for this shorter one. This is the curtain they'll be using. Although my daughter does not like the curtain because she said I should get either pink or purple curtain. But yeah, that's the curtain they are using. Yeah, they have a fan. This is where their fan used to be, but the fan is dirty, so standing fan. So it's outside. I'm cleaning it. Yeah, not so much. So over here is their wardrobe. Yeah, their shoes and the rest are up there. This luggage belongs to them also. This is where they keep some of their outfits that they have outgrown. I will dash them out. And here for the female, the other side for my boy. But next time we're going to do wardrobe tour. But this is it. They just say this one. Hey, Skylar! This one is here destroy. Where did you even get this one? From the kitchen. You see? See what she's doing, guys. So guys, welcome back again. It's still the same video. So this is the continuation of my kids room tour that I did. Today, this is about 8 a.m. On Wednesday morning, and yeah, I want to take you guys along because I'm in a rush. I'm headed to PTI Junction here in Warri. There is this package. I ordered some food stuff from Ilori, yes, from a vendor that I saw on Instagram, and I'll be expecting this package since this is not the first time I'm ordering for them, but for some days now it has been taking longer than necessary. So they just called me this morning that I should come pick up my package. So I'm going to Agofre Park. If you are familiar with Warri, you know I got Red Park where they pick up a parcel and all that. So that is where I'm going to. And this package, guys, I ordered it with let's say 70,000, 6699. So it's 70,000 naira. And I will be doing a bossing. So stay tuned. I will show you guys what I am able to get for 70,000 naira. Yeah, from online vendor. So just stay tuned. I will carry you guys along.
There's not much to do.
Keep washing. Keep
All
washing.
I can is
Let me
thinking
go.
about
And
you. Not
so I'm just
doing
putting on
well.
this outfit. It's a jumpsuit.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
Back picking up my package from the pack. So like I promised, I want to do a bossy with you guys. So let's boss together and see what we got for 70,000 naira in Nigeria. This package is direct from Ilori. Yes. So let me show you guys. This is dry meat. This is dry meat. And over here we have local vegetable oil made from palm oil. Yes, this one you can use it for fada stew and all that. Yes, and we have beans, brown beans. This is about 5 kg beans. We have brown beans here. We have peanuts, aka granuts. We have some kuli kuli, and this is rice. This is 10 kg. This is 10 kg rice. Yes, this is 10 kg rice. This is furry rice. And lastly, we have, let me check what we have here, but I think these are wheat flour and all that. Let's check, guys. I'm just going to cut the sack. Oh, we still have some coconut candle, as we call it in Nigeria. Let me just okay. Over here we have yam flour. This is yam flour for the yam, and this one is cassava flour. This one is Ijebu Gari, kuli kuli, and wheat flour. So this is what we got with 70,000 naira, guys, in Nigeria. So tell me if you want it. Let me know. Yeah. If you're a lover of palm oil stew, you don't have to stress yourself bleaching your oil. Just this one. The last time I ordered from them, I got King's vegetable oil from them. That one is 3 liter, and palm oil. I still have them at home. So yeah, some dry meats. This. So this is what we got. If you live here in Nigeria, comment down below if you think this item is way too expensive for 70,000 naira or is okay. Let me know in the comment section. If you are coming across this channel for the first time or you'll be watching without subscribing, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notification as to notify whenever I drop a new video, because very soon I will be dropping back to back. See you all, and I love you guys. Bye.